Yeah, Royal, just take a look at all of this water, all of this flood water and mud. This is what the city of Berlin is practically covered in. And right now, as you can see, crews are out here cleaning up the mud and the water, trying to get things under control. It's a nightmare situation.
The fence is falling down on the left side of the house, and all inside our house is just full of mud.
People here in this Berlin neighborhood have been up since 8 last night, cleaning up damage left behind by raging flood water.
I wish it didn't rain that much because then we wouldn't have to be shoveling.
Berlin Mayor Jared Cordova told us the rain caused a nearby canal to overfill and it broke. That sent water rushing into people's homes and businesses. Christina Franco says she called officials before it broke.
We call them and it's like, we'll be there. We'll be there an hour and a half later. That's when they get here, after it's already too late.
More than 1,000 people's homes were damaged and 15 businesses couldn't open today.
I'll even move this and you'll see that there's still mud in here.
This is the third time the canal has broken in the past 8 months. Mayor Cordova admits it's the city's responsibility to create more areas for water to flow during major storms so the canal doesn't get overflooded.
What we really need are ponds built along the west side of Berlin that will catch that water before it hits that Highline Canal.
But he says it will cost millions of dollars to complete, and the state hasn't approved their request to fund it. It's up to the homeowners here to call their insurance companies to get help to pay for all of the damage, but many of them I talked to said they don't have flood insurance, so it's going to be up to them to pocket this bill. Reporting in Berlin, I'm Katie Munch, KUAT Action 7 News.